What we're doing right now is we're going to program a liftmaster remote and a liftmaster wireless keypad. And I have over here a model 371LM, a 373LM, and a 377LM wireless keypad. The 371 and 373 are almost identical, except this has one button and this one has three buttons to control your devices. So first thing we're going to do is locate the antenna wire located on the motor head. And you'll notice the wire is the color purple. And also there's a purple learn button corresponding to this wire, which is also the program button for the remote controls. So if you do not have a purple button and a purple wire, then you have the wrong remotes and you need to purchase a different series of remote control. So what we're going to do right now is test the remote. I'm going to push the button, and if you notice, there's a little light right above the learn button that is blinking, but the motor is not responding. That tells us that the remote is compatible, but it's not programmed. So to program it, just push the button one time, the light will come on, you take the remote, and you'll hear a click after I hit the remote control button, and also the lights on the motor will blink. There you go. That means the remote was programmed. Now the remote should work. There you go. Now we're going to do the wireless keypad. Over here we have the keypad. So same thing you could do is you hit the learn button one time, let it go, the light comes on, then you're going to enter your code. 1, 2, 3, 4, then push enter. Once again you hear the motor click. That means it's programmed. By the way, don't use the code 1234 on your keypad or your address as far as security purposes go. So now, if you would like to clear those remotes so that they do not work, what you do now is you take the learn button here and you're going to hold it down for 6 seconds. And you see that light come on there? Just keep holding it until the light goes off. There, the light's off. Now we're going to test our remote control again, and you'll see it does not work. Also, we'll check our keypad. 1, 2, 3, 4, enter, and that one is also cleared. Now to reprogram them again with the new code, you just go right back to the beginning and do the process over again. And also, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to program your remote with your wall button.